Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Four of Cups. We have Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, we have Five of Wands as well. Another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, the Fool. Okay, King of Swords. So some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Eight of Swords. Yes, another earth sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Three of Wands. Wow, the Lovers. Okay, so Three of Wands, another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So some of you could be dealing with them. Okay, and some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. Taurus, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards them. This is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. Let's start the reading for Taurus. Okay, so we have Five of Wands, Four of Cups, and Knight of Wands. Okay. Okay. Taurus, your person feels about you that you are going through some kind of a conflict thing. Okay, some dispute is going on. It's basically within your heart and mind. Okay, you want to take certain action towards something. Maybe this relationship, you want to take certain action in this relationship with this Knight of Wands card. Okay, you are eagerly wants to start something new in this relationship. You are desperate to start something new in this relationship. Okay, that's how your person feels about you, Taurus. Okay, but something is there which is not allowing you to take certain steps towards this relationship. Okay, for some of you, your person feels that maybe it's your family disputes. Okay, some there is some family issues going on at your end. Okay, maybe you are confused. Okay, maybe it's a you are in a war state between your heart and mind. Okay, you are not you are unable to understand what is good for you and what is bad for you. That's why you are being very silent, Taurus. Okay, that's how a person sees you, and that's how they feel about you. So they feel that there's a lot of disputes going on. Okay, within your family or within your heart and mind. Okay, in terms of this relationship, you are genuinely wants to start something in this relationship. Maybe you want to, maybe they feel that you want to offer them something. Okay, you want to start something new, but since there is a lot of conflict is going on at your end, you are taking your own time. Maybe you are being silent now. Okay, you just want to wait for the right time. Okay, with this Four of Cups, your person sees you as I mean, they see you as somebody. I mean, they are chasing you like anything. They are offering you their emotions, their love, their affection, but it's you who is being very silent. Okay, you have closed your eyes towards them. You are just sitting idle, doing nothing. Okay, in respect, I mean, in terms of this relationship, I'm saying. Okay, you are doing nothing in this relationship. You are not willing to put anything. Okay, right now, even though you want to you want to start something new, but you are feeling that let me just take a break and let me just think a lot, or think some more time, and I should give some more time to this relationship. Okay, let me see what is there for me in this world, or what is there for me in this love. Okay, but I feel that it's the universe who is offering you this love. Okay, and I think you should not miss that. Okay, so Taurus, that was your partner's feeling towards you. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. So we have the Fool, King of Swords, and Eight of Swords. Okay. Okay. So Taurus, you feel about your person as somebody who was very much, into their own negative emotions, negative aura. Okay, this was their guilt, this was their mistakes, okay, which has trapped them into you know I mean, they are basically trapped into their own mental um, state. Okay, they are depressed, they are anxious, they are guilty basically. Okay, they are feeling guilty about something. Okay, and they are also someone who does not want to move. You see your person Taurus as somebody who does not want to move out from their comfort zone. Okay, or plus you also see your person Taurus that they were somebody who was initially into some kind of negative emotions. Okay, they were like really sad about something, okay, which had happened in their past, but now you see as them as somebody who is like a king of swords. Okay, who is this person is able to move out from that toxic energies. Okay, you see them as a warrior. Okay, you see them as someone who was literally trapped into toxic energies and negative energies. Now they took a step, okay, and they free themselves. Okay, they got their liberty. Okay, and now they are posing as a king of swords. Okay, this is their kingdom. The moment they are free from this negative energy, that's their kingdom, and they are ruling this kingdom now. Okay, so you see them as somebody who has built their life, okay, from the scratch. Okay, and you genuinely adores them. Okay, with this king of swords. Plus you also see them as somebody who is not going to be in this energy, eight of swords energy anymore. Okay, you see that they are very much confident, they are very much um, independent. Okay, and now this time they are not going to make any mistakes, okay, which is going to hamper their mental peace. Okay, and with this Fool card you also feel about them, Taurus, that your person is feeling very light. Okay, now they are taking a leap of faith. Okay, now they are taking their uh, they are just believing in God and your God's timing. Okay, with this Fool card they are being very naive, very fresh. I mean, they are feeling very fresh. It's like a new birth to them. Okay, so that's how you feel about your person, Taurus. Okay, so we have Three of Wands as a mutual energy. Taurus, it's your person who's waiting for you. Okay, they are seeing you from a distance, that you are doing nothing. Okay, they are waiting for you, they are waiting for you to come forward. Or for some of you, it could also happen that your person lives in a different state. Okay, maybe there is a geographical distance between you and your person, so now they are chasing you like anything, as I said. Okay, but you are not doing anything in terms of relationship, Taurus. This is your person who wants to come forward and meet you. Okay, this is your person who wants to offer you these emotions. Okay, now face to face. Okay, so they are seeing their ways to come forward and talk to you. They are seeing their face to come forward and offer you something in love and emotions, and in terms of, yeah, and romance. Okay, with this Three of Wands, for some of you, I also feel that your person is seeing you from a distance, that you are being very sad or very I mean, you are into a sleeping state. Okay, you are not doing anything, and they are gonna very sad about it. But you need not to worry, because I am seeing that this person is coming towards you to offer you this cup. Okay, and the future potential of this reading is the Lovers. And as I said, your person is not going to leave you at any point of time in life. They are definitely going to make their ways to come forward you and to offer you something. And the future potential is the Lovers, so that means this is going to be the relationship of your, I mean, this is the divine relationship, that's what I want to say. Mutual love, mutual energy, mutual feelings, mutual respect, mutual care, mutual attachment, mutual connection. Oh god, both of you loves each other, both of you loves each other, and I feel that your person is loves you more, okay, because they are making their ways to come forward and talk to you, okay. Yeah, so you need not to worry at all, they are going to take a lead of this relationship, okay. So take a deep breath and do some action. Yeah, okay. So Taurus, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.